Hi my magical friends, it's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my Simply Gilded subscription box. This is for the month of April, so I'm super excited about this one. If you're not familiar with Simply Gilded, they are a monthly subscription box for planners, and inside each box you find a sticker kit with matching washi and a really cool pen. It costs about $30 and that includes shipping, at least for the US. So cost-wise, it's kind of a nice subscription to get, and you can use it for several weeks in a row. And I think that covers just about everything about this box. So let's go ahead and open it up and I can show you what's inside. Now, she did used to do more elaborate boxes, but this year she decided to simplify, so we just have the kind of pared down essentials in the box. Are you ready? Look at how pretty that is. So each month I got 2 journaling cards. I have an extra, guys. That's so cool. But you get a journaling card, and I'm going to move this off to the side so it's not in the background. I really, really love her journaling cards. Now, I do know that she did a similar design a couple of years ago. I think, what did she call it? You're a Gem. That's what it was called. It was like a fall subscription. I really do like this journaling card. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. You kind of have this cloud-like pattern in the background, which is so, so pretty. And then, of course, you have the gem heart kind of thing going on there. And this has silver hollow foil on it, which is really cool because you get all those different colors. Very, very pretty. I love using these as cards. And usually you only get one, but I guess I got an extra. Not sad about that. And then next, let's pull up the pen. So this is your pen. It is a gel ink pen. I want to say it's a 0.5, but I'm not positive on that. And it comes with like a little engraved bow on the top. And then you get a custom design here. This one's absolutely beautiful. You have like a darker purple at the top going to like a pinky purple at the bottom. And you just have that nice variegation in between. The star type pattern is kind of engraved so you can feel it with your finger, and then this comes off and fits really nicely on the back there. They do have a little bit of a weight to them, so they write really nicely and just really feel right in your hand. I love keeping these in my purse because I always know if I've left my pen somewhere that like that one's mine because nobody else has one like it. So there's the pen. And then we have washi, which always comes in a custom designed box, and our sticker kit. So let me get those out. And I do really love the purples for this month. I think I'm going to do the sticker kit first, and then we'll do the washi, and I'll swatch that out for you guys. So it always comes in a nice little envelope like this, so it's protected. And this is kind of a thicker plastic that a lot of other shops use, so it really protects it well. Plus you have the box to protect it. So you always get like a sheet of seals, or sometimes she's starting to go outside of the bow seals and do some other shapes and stuff, which is really cool. But you have the general, you have the general color scheme of the kit, and you have that foil kind of surrounding them. These are great for packages or for letters in the mail. It just kind of adds that extra special touch. So we have those. And then each kit always comes with one of these sheets. This is your date dots and everything, and you have some really nice icons down here at the bottom. And I like that it's a little bit of a variegation as well. It's not like super obvious, but you have like the bluer tones here at the top going into the purple at the bottom. So you kind of have a mixture in this area, and it's really pretty. So there's that. And then we have our complete sticker kit here. So it is 4 pages plus those. So your first page has your full boxes, and they all go together really nicely this month. I really, really love them. So we have like a music disc here. It's almost a record, but I think it's supposed to be a CD. So that's really cool. And you have like little musical notes. That'll be great for like marking my daughter's concerts or my son's band performances. and that kind of thing. We have a box up here that says Dreamer with these kind of mountain shapes there, which are really cool. Then of course we have the moon. We have this cloud-like shape over here. And these are just patterned boxes, which are really pretty with variegations in them. We have the heart. And then this one kind of makes me think of like night at the mountains a little bit. And then of course we have this one as well. At the bottom here, you have some bow headers that match perfectly with everything here. On your second page, you have some specific headers up here. So we have family and, well, there's two families, a gratitude, a work, well, two works, sorry. And then you have the Monday through Sunday that you can use for your own habit tracker if you want, or whatever you want to do with that. We have some 3-bow checklist here. We have some quarter boxes in this area. These are all headers as well. So they don't exactly match the ones that you have here. Like these blue ones and these will probably go pretty well. And the dark blue, well, it doesn't exactly match this one. You could probably use that blue one as well with it. And then we have this variegation one again. So, and then down here at the bottom, we have half boxes. So I love this one with the moon and the stars, super pretty. Also loving these. And we have the mountains now in pink. This one's going to be amazing with the disc there. It's so pretty. And then this one actually looks like it has like angel wings or maybe butterfly wings there. I don't know if you can see that. It's really light, but it's super beautiful. So that's page 2. Page 3 is the flags page. So I know some people have struggled to be able to use this page. So I have made a video on how to use these flags in different ways. If it's helpful for you guys, I'll go ahead and tag that up above. But you get like a whole row of, so you have heart checklist, you have bow checklist, and then you just have these page flags. Then you have icon ones. You have more icons down here in hearts. You have a little bit of deco in this area. You have some specific kind of headers, and then of course some bows there. And then our last page is where you have all of your days of the week and everything. So it actually gives you 4 sets. So you have a purple set this month, you have this pink to purple set, and then you have this blue to kind of purpley pink down here, as well as the star pattern one here, which is really nice. I love the fact that you get enough days of the week for pretty much a whole month. And then we also have some more specific headers over here. So we have meeting, I think that says appointment, important. Oh, there's 2 importance, goals, and shopping list, meal plan, to clean, and to do. And then we have a gratitude box over here, which I really love. And then you also have all of these other half boxes as well. Now, I will say with this paper, because she uses a very unique paper, you cannot write on it with the gel pen. If you do try that, it's just not going to dry. An easy way to get it off is you can use like a wet wipe or something else that's just mildly moist, and you can wipe it right off. And then you'll be able to come back in with a permanent ink pen. So I know that Sharpies work well as the micro perms in the brown, or the micro perms in the gray body. The ones with the brown body won't work on these. I keep on meaning to look up what the difference is, but anyhow, you want the ones with the gray body. So that's all the stickers. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the washi now. I do love that we're still getting the custom boxes, at least for the washi. I think that's really nice. So we have 6 different ones here. And if you were to say like each one was like $5, so, you know, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So just to give you an idea. So, okay, we have one here that has like little mountains, and it's blue at the top and purple at the bottom with that hollow foil, which is really pretty. It kind of makes me think of sunset or sunrise. And then this one is, what does she call it? Stardust. So it has the silver hollow in there as well as Aurora pink. And you have like little stars and everything in there. And then this is a double pack, so there are 2 in here. So you have the color blocked one as well as the star one there. And then we have our moons and stars. This one is a very similar color to some of her other rolls, so I think it'll be a nice way to pull in a different color. It kind of makes me think of like Cinderella blue. And then we have this one where it's not quite the same as the previous one. This is more kind of like purpley, and this is more just a light blue with the white stars on the background. And then the last roll here is that it almost looks blue to me, but it has a purple tinge to it. So it's got those records and the music notes on it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab out my swatch book and we'll swatch these out for you guys. Alright, there's all of our washi kind of swatched out. I tried to kind of group together similar colors so you could kind of see that. I love this, and I do think it's more of a blue purple. Oh, focus, focus, focus. There we go. It's actually, yeah, it's really pretty still, but there isn't quite a color in the kit, I think, that perfectly matches it. I mean, if I were going to pick one washi that kind of has a different feel than some of the other elements, it would probably be that one, but I do like it. And I also really like the color swatched one below it. The rest feel like they go with the kit a little bit more cohesively though. So I love this pattern here. It actually makes me think of winter, so I might end up using that in some winter spreads, I'm thinking, because of like the almost snowflake pattern to it. This one makes me think a little bit of like nurseries, kind of a younger spread, and I think that might work well in my Hobanashi. And then these 3 kind of felt like they really went together for me. So I love the Stardust here. I think that's really a fun element. The purple here, there's a lot of purple kits out right now, and I feel like this muted purple here will go with a lot of them. And then of course we have the mountain range here, which also looks really beautiful. And again, reminds me of that sunrise sunset period because of the variegation there. So that's everything in this month's kit. If you are interested in this kit, I believe it's still up on her site and you can subscribe. The way that she normally does it is on the first of the month, everybody who's already subscribed gets billed and they have their spots. And then on the second, any additional availability that they have goes up in the shop so that people can subscribe and that kind of thing. And then after the month is over, I believe the leftover kits will come to the shop, but she said that there are going to be fewer and fewer of those leftover kits because she's trying to kind of streamline things a bunch. So if you really love the kit, it's usually easiest just to subscribe to the kits, and that way you know you have your spot. So I am not affiliated with Simply Gilded. I do like Irene and we have had a few conversations, but that's about the extent of it. I really do appreciate her products and the thought and care she puts into them. So anyhow, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that like button over there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.